Hello friends, I would like to give my ideas about the experiments, how this determination of Planck constant is done using the virtual lab. So there you have to go on a particular web page of Amrita University where this experiment is available, and there are number of windows. You can see that theory, procedure, self-evaluation, simulator, and all that are there. So our aim here is to determine the Planck constant, and the apparatus are shown, and there is a theory here. Then we will use here this formula for the determination of Planck constant. What is that formula? EV equals S nu, or you can say nu equals C by lambda, SC by lambda. So here we get Planck constant by using this graph, taking the slope of that graph. So here we have a simulator, and how this experiment is done, that can be simply I would like to discuss here. So first you have to log in on this site. Then here I have already my ID login there, so I use this ID and then put my password. Then I log in, and then it create you the home page, and you have to enable this for the site, and I allow it here. Then you have to reload the page, then it will allow your Flash player to run. So here when the page is going to open, so here we are having this one. I think it is taking time. So simulator is there. Oh, now it's working. Here we have different paths of this experiment which are to be used. You can see that there are different apparatus. So the first one is this voltage source, then another is rheostat, then here we have some current meter, digital ammeter is there, then voltmeter, then here there is resistance, then we have a LED, and these are simply the keys. So there is a procedure here. With the help of this you can check the which type of LED you want to select. Then there is a rheostat value. By changing the rheostat value, you will change what the voltage applied across the LEDs, and then you have to note down this current corresponding to the voltage applied. Then there will be certain data generated, and using that data you will plot the graph, and you will get the turn on voltage. And after getting the turn on voltage for at least you can say 4 different color LEDs, then you have to plot a graph using these data. Then this color of LED, then there is a standard wavelength, and you get the new voltage. Then there will be graph. Then by taking the slope of that graph, you will get what Planck constant. The standard value of Planck constant is 6.626 10 raised to the power minus 34. So this is all about this experiment. So you can perform this experiment